My name is Cindy. I am presenting an ethical dilemma using the moral ethical decision model. My patient is Mr. H, a 48-year-old man who has fallen off of a roof and was admitted to the surgical intensive care with a traumatic brain injury. After a few hours, it's evident that this patient will die due to brain stem herniation. The family is called in and the organ donation agency is called in as well. Mr. H herniates his brainstem at about 4 p.m. The nurses call the neurosurgeon and ask him to come in and pronounce brain death. The neurosurgeon refuses. Throughout the night, the man's blood pressure drops drastically, and the patient has to be put on multiple pressors. The patient's blood pressure is still not staying up with those pressors. The organ donation agency then comes to the nurse and lets them know that if something doesn't happen within the next hour, then we will lose all the organs. So after multiple phone calls to the neurosurgeon, another one is made and asked for him to come in. The neurosurgeon still says no, he will not come in from morning. So what do we do? Using the moral ethical dilemma model, we will massage the dilemma. The organs are failing due to the low blood pressure and high doses of blood pressure meds. The organs cannot be used if they are on high doses of blood pressure meds for so many hours. The neurosurgeon is the only one who can pronounce brain death. The patient has to be pronounced brain dead prior to our organ donation company being involved. To outline the options, we can do nothing. We could call the hospital administrators. We could continue to ask the surgeon to come in. To review the criteria and resolve, if we do nothing, we lose the organ. If we call the hospital administrators, they can have the surgeon come in and pronounce brain death. If we continue to ask the surgeon, he could continue to refuse to come in. To affirm position and act, we decided to call the hospital administrators, and the surgeon was asked to come in, and he did come in. He did pronounce brain death. To look back, the surgeon was very angry that all organs were donated, and the family was very pleased that they were able to help other families with organ donation.